how to download photos from Google Drive. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can download photos from Google Drive. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. To download photos from Google Drive, first make sure that you have the app installed. If you don't have it, head over to Google Play Store. Simply search for Drive. And after you search for Drive, just install this app. After you've installed it, you can then locate your Google Drive and then open it up. Now, you will automatically be logged in into your account. If you're using your Android device, you can simply log in manually as well. Then you'll need to locate your folder or wherever you have added or stored your photos. So if I head over to the files option at the bottom right, I will be able to see my drive and what my drive contains. So right here you can see I have folders for photos. If I tap on it, I'll see the images. I can press on any image to load it up. Now after I find the image that I want to download, I can just open one up manually, then tap on the three dots on the top right, and then find the download button and then tap on it. Alternatively, what I can do is I can select multiple photos by long pressing on one and then selecting the others, then tapping on the three dots on the top right, then tapping on download. And doing that, the pictures will get downloaded, and that's how you do it. And that is it for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.